What's going on, guys? So, coming to you with a little bit of a different lesson here. Um, Obviously, this is going to be a little trade recap because that's just what we do. But, I also kind of want to talk about the idea of why options are better than penny stocks. All right? So, here's number one. You know what? I'll explain that later. We're going to talk about the trades real quick and then we'll go from there. How about that, guys? How about that? Okay, so basically, it's not even a word. Anyways, so 6:41 a.m. we alerted Baba calls. 7:03 we took about a 40% profit. So let's go check it out. 6:41 to 7:03. First, let's check this out. Here's our Baba for you guys. 6:41 and 7:03 is what I'm getting out. So there's no nonsense, no BS here where, people think that I'm sending out my alerts long time after I've been in the position and that I'm making money off of other people. No, I'm sending out the alerts the same time I'm getting in. I'm actually even getting in more after. So that would be realistically the time that my subscribers would be getting in is, shortly after this, but, let's say that one. So, it's not no shady business going on here. This ain't no, Mr. Penny Stock Guru that we all know so well. So anyways, basically, to get to the point, and don't to all those newer traders out there or whatever, don't worry about why there's two different orders. It's because I bought in, then I doubled up my position, then I sold half, then I sold the other half. So, it's profit taking. So, and the end result ended up being like, 39%. So here's why I'm talking about why stocks and options are better than penny stocks. So first of all, why do people get attracted to penny stocks? Oh, because they can get such big moves and, they cost such little money to get in, they're less than $1 each. Okay, guys, so here's options. Less than $1 each. We bought in for 62 cents. You can put 62 bucks into it. You get what I'm saying? Multiply that by 10, you get 620 bucks. Put 620 into it, you get out 850. That's penny stock profits for you guys. Here's the thing. Options don't have the risk of penny stocks. How do they not have the risk of penny stocks? Well, first, you're trading real stocks. The chances of a penny stock going, cutting in half of its value or just going to zero in a day or overnight is, very high compared to, think of Baba, Apple, Google. Come on, guys. You really think they're going to cut in half overnight? If they do, sure, anything can happen, but let's just be real. You get what I'm saying? Chances of penny stocks doing that are way higher than real stocks. So that's basically one point, is that, you're trading real stocks. Second of all, with penny stocks, there are no options. So with penny stocks, you're buying the penny stocks. Meaning, it works like this for the long side. Obviously, if you're buying penny stocks, technically you can only put what you can only lose what you put into it. But let's look at it from the short side. If you wanted to short a penny stock, your risk is unlimited. You can lose so much money. You get what I'm saying? And there's no options in penny stocks to mitigate that risk for you. That's why I like options. Is one, they require the same amount of capital, if not less than penny stocks in some scenarios. They have a much greater reward, and they have a much likelier chance of rewarding you. The chance of, Apple, Baba, Google, real stocks moving in your favor are a lot more likely than penny stocks. They also tend to move a lot more than penny stocks. You'll find a penny stock that'll move once in its life, then it'll stay flat for the rest of its life, for like another 5 years. Real stocks are always fluctuating. So don't trade penny stocks. There's so many reasons why. The risk is terrible. With options you have a better reward, less risk. You're trading real stocks. Just don't do it. And in some cases it can require less capital. Look at this. It's 62 cents. Come on now. Come on. Anyways, so let's go take a look at the trade real quick. We got in 6:41, out at 7:04. Here we are right here. 6:41, somewhere right here is where we got in at. Now let's take them to our exit point. Here we are right here. So we didn't quite get out at the exact top there. 7-11. Wait, what? No, not 7-11. See, guys, I get all distracted with my accents and everything that I forget about it. 7-Eleven is the Google trade. This is also why I shouldn't try to put 2 trades into one video lesson, huh? Anyways, we got in at 641, out at 704. So 641, that's where we got in at, out at 704. You know, I was over here looking at it. I'm like, wait a minute, I'm pretty sure I didn't get out right at the exact top on this one. You know, I'm a little more humble than that. I'll admit when I'm wrong. I didn't. Yeah, so 704 was when we got out. So, you know, and that's all it takes. What are the chances that a real stock is going to make a move like this compared to a penny stock? Let's go look at a penny stock real quick. Just a random penny stock. Come on now. It doesn't even load. Some of these might, you know, but what is this? What is this? Let's go look at real stocks now. Apple. Oh, wow. We see some real moves. Come on, what are the chances that you even pick the right penny stock that's going to move? Out of all the penny stocks that there are, sure, some can move. What are the chances that you're going to pick the right one? What are the chances that you're going to pick that it's going to even move in the right direction? Anyways, we don't need to get into that. Look at these real stocks. They actually move on a daily basis. Daily basis. Daily basis. Come on, guys. So that's that. That was basically Baba for you guys. Let's go talk about Google now. Here we are. Let's go look at the post from it. So we alerted at 647, got out 711, 32% profit. 645 is where we got in it. 711 is where we exited. About, you know, less than 30 minutes, I'd say. Let's go take a look at the chart. 645 is the entry. So right here. That's where we got in at, right basically at the bottom of that pullback. Let's go see what time we got out. 7-11. Right here is where we got out at. So did we get exactly the top? No. But we got pretty dang close, guys. Pretty dang close. And you know, let's just say you're trading with a small account, for example. You want to do 10 contracts, would be 2,500 you're putting in. You're coming out with 3,300 in 30 minutes. Trading with the smallest account in the world, trade 1 contract. You're putting in 250 bucks. You're coming out with $330. Come on, who wouldn't? Who with a $250 stock account would not want to come out with? That's the reason why people go trade penny stocks, is because they see these kinds of profits and these kinds of returns. But that's the problem. They're penny stocks. Come on now, don't do that, guys. Don't do that. This is the way around it. If you want those big moves, go ahead, trade options. It's actually less risk, you know? It's another thing. Short a penny stock, if it goes up $1, you're screwed. You owe so much money to your broker. With options, you instead of shorting it, get a put. If it goes against you, oh well, you just lost what you put into it. So anyways, guys, that was basically that. That's pretty much all I have to say about it. You know, penny stocks, just don't do it. Don't do it. You know, if you still think that you have a good reason as to why you think penny stocks are better than options, send me an email. I would love to be humored. I'm not kidding though. Really, send me an email. We'll talk about it, guys. Because there's a lot more to it. I'm obviously not trying to make, you know, a 30-minute video lesson here for you guys. So yeah, that was that, guys. 32% on Google, 39% on Baba. Both of them within 30 minutes each. You know, what more do you want? I'm happy with that. I'm content with that. You know, my students were watching me live do it. So anyways, that was that. I hope you guys enjoy your day. Just do me a favor, please subscribe, hit that thumbs up, as well as go follow me on Instagram at BijanTrades. Follow me on Twitter at Who'sBijanT, and add me on Snapchat, Who'sBijanT. And don't forget to visit the website, BijanTrades.com. I'll talk to you guys soon.